Hi, my name is May from Good Story Chinese Translation. I'm going to show you today how to get an API key for your Google translation plugin so that you can copy and paste that into your translation software. I'm going to use MemoQ as an example. Um, as if you have um, watched the previous presentation on MemoQ for beginners, you may still remember that under option on the top, you can find machine translation in one of the categories, and then if you want to use Google MT machine translation plugin, you can press option. So that's the key that we're talking about. Where do I get this key? So Google will know who to bill and how much to bill. And so today I'm going to show you how to get this key. So I'm going to use a friend's account as a demo. You can see here, this is if you go to Google Cloud Platform, or you can type in, Google Cloud Console, and it will bring you up to this page, and then you can write because here I already set up a Google Translate project. So if you haven't set up any project, you would so here you would have create new project, and you just click on create new project, and then give your project a name. Say if it's Google Translate. So now you have got the project, and what you do is you go on to the left navigation menu, and then you go to API and services, and then we go to library. So library, if we type in cloud translation, so that's the cloud translation API that you click on, and then you enable. And then you will see this message, billing required. Cloud Translation API requires a project with a billing account. So you go enable billing. And to enable billing on this project, I'll create a new billing account. And then I fill out the information in terms of my account, and that's the phone number, identity verification, and contact information, and then you go continue. And once you go through these 3 steps, what you get, and put in your credit card details, you get something like here. So this is my account. As you can see that the project name is Google MT 2018. That's when I set it up, and you'll be given a project ID and project number, and then you show that how much you have used at a particular time, and if you go to API service credential, that's where you find the API key 1. So you can have more than one API keys. If you have more people working on a project, but I only have one, and I have never need a second one. So if you, and then the key is here, and if you copy the key, and then now once you have got the key, you can go back to your MemoQ, and then remember under options where the little crocs are, clockworks are, and then you go to machine translation and click on options. So that's where you paste those keys in, and then say OK. And once you have done that, then and then when you open up each segment, you can find that there are segments that is coming from Google Translate, and that means you have finished finish it. So say if I just edit, because I have translated this file in the previous demo, so it's already in my translation memory. But if say I'm going to change a little bit, experience resident discrimination, so there's another function in MemoQ that would enable you to edit source. So I right click the segment and press edit source. Now it's turned to green, so now I can add something. Have you can you do anything about it? Okay, so now I have edited the source, and if I open this segment again, you can see that number one is from my translation memory, and which has a tick, that means it has been confirmed, so it's a sort of confirmed translation. And then the second one, and then the third one. So the third one, both the second one and the third one are so the second one has added in the English bit, and the third one is from Google Translation. As you can see that they're all color coded. So orange is of this shade, and it's from it's from Google Translation. So you double click it. So if you see if you see this shade, then you know that this suggestion comes from Google Translation. So that means you have successfully enabled your plugin. Thank you again for learning with us today. Again, my name is May. I'm from Good Story Chinese Translation. Feel free to learn new things and share with your colleagues, even though you may not be perfect in the mastery of the new skill. You do not need to be perfect to be sharing, and please feel free to browse other topics on this website. We also on our website we also have a few other videos on why we use machine translation, and how to set up machine translation in MemoQ. That is MemoQ for beginners.